This is XR5999. We're full, baby. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all.
Remember the golf joke?
No.
I'll tell you later.
Golf joke. Oh, Dylan Tab bought the last 2 spots. No, Dylan Adam. It's many. Adams is. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. Let's do this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So Rebecca, Brad, Dylan, Heath, Rebecca. So the second box actually all for Dylan. That's handy. 5 times. Get rid of the randomizer. And I guess that's the joy of buying 2 spots. Maybe you'll get one of the good cards. Maybe you'll get 2 of the good cards. I believe shipping today. Or close to it. Or shipped, I don't know. Supremacy. All right, first up, Rebecca Ashfold. Good luck, Rebecca. First pack. David Montgomery, Kenny Golladay. 1 of 1 for Rebecca. Dak Prescott. Nice. The 101 Dak Prescott base. And it is a beauty as well.
Jeez.
That is very nice. Oh, that is very large. I'd probably
It's
go.
close.
It's close. Rebecca, congratulations. Dak Prescott, 1 of 1.
That's cool.
Very cool. Then there's also Larry Roundtree to 249. Extreme Rookies Fields to 149. And a Kene Nwangwu 1 of 1.
What? You've done it again.
Wow. How many people... Okay, so there's been... How many people have done it twice in 1 week? Wow. What? Elijah Mitchell on the back. You are absolutely joking me. That is a big result. And for what it's worth, it's actually not even the rookie jersey auto. How about that for Rebecca? 2 1-on-1s. Usually over on Dale's channel, I believe, is Rebecca. And so, welcome to the party. I mean, that's huge. But there's still more to come. This one, the right side of that, and this should have a rookie jersey auto in it, is for Brad Surenbrook. Good luck, Brad. Gee, some thick cards in this one too. Aaron Rodgers, Rob Gronkowski, Cam Newton to 249. Blue Tutu Atwell to 199. And it's a patch to 25 of Tutu Atwell. Oh, jeez. Everyone's happy. And to 109, rookie jersey auto, Cornell Powell from Kansas City. And a Kelvin Joseph on the back. So, I tell you what, that is an amazing box. There we go. Sometimes things just... Oh, man, the Dirksing is just so good. Have you seen how big he does it in this product, Tabby? Oh, it's just boom, boom, boom. Alrighty, that was Brad Surenbrook. Alrighty, there's so 3 and 4 both go to Dylan Adams, who will have a full box. And then it's Heath and Rebecca. So we'll do Heath and Rebecca next, just because that'll probably be easier. All right, Heath Fleming up first on the left-hand side. Good luck, Heath. Allen Robinson. Daniel Jones. A teal to 49. Of David Johnson. A blue to 109, Pat Freiermuth. And nice big old jersey 75, Travis Etienne Jr. triple threats. And a Terrace Marshall Jr. rookie jersey auto to 149. On the back, Andre Cisco. That was for Heath Fleming. So Heath picks up a nice little half a pack there. Can Rebecca go again? Rebecca ordered 2 packs as well. Could you imagine when that turns up? Like, oh, I got a, if she's not watching now, oh, I got a 1-on-1 in each thing. Nope. Oh, I mean, it's a 1-on-1 product. Like there are a lot of 1-on-1s. This is for Rebecca. Good luck, Rebecca. This one, super thin. Antonio Gibson, Derek Carr. To 249, Marquise Brown. An orange of Kellen Mond to 99. Blue Extreme Rookies, nice, Jamar Chase to 99. And Elijah Vera Tucker to 109. So second one, not so good. And then Noah Gray. Oh, my eye. No Obsidian has not broken yet. That'll go once full. I don't know how close it is at this stage. But you can save 12% off using the code POSI, P-O-S-I. Alrighty, this whole box is for Dylan. Good luck, Dylan. I mean, this was done at a good price to get people involved in the product. Good luck to Dylan. Miles Sanders, Devontae Adams. Gold, Derrick Henry to just 10. Wow, this product is loaded. To 75, rookie Josh Palmer. To 149, my least favorite insert, Aaron Rodgers, extra. And to just 99, Amir Smith-Marset, luminous endorsements. And Ramondre Stevenson. So this one should be our rookie jersey auto. Adam Thielen. Jarvis Landry. To 249, Drew Lock. To 249, Joe Tyron. Gold to 10, Amon-Ra St. Brown for the Detroit Lions. X-Ray. And to 49, Exponential Ink, Jeff Wilson Jr. So some nice cards in that one as well. Travis Etienne Jr. rookie. That was a pretty solid all the way through.